Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play stereo Love on the keyboard. We'll begin by focusing on the iconic main melody, played with your right hand. The song is primarily in the key of C-sharp minor. You'll often start the melody around the F-sharp note in a higher octave. Take your time to learn the sequence of notes and ensure your timing is precise for that recognizable, catchy sound. Next, let's tackle the left-hand chords, which provide the essential harmonic foundation for the song. The piece uses a repeating four-chord progression: C-sharp minor, followed by a major, then E major, and finally G-sharp minor. Practice each chord individually to ensure clean voicings and proper hand shape. Then, work on transitioning smoothly between these four chords, maintaining a steady, consistent rhythm throughout. Now it's time to bring both hands together. Start very slowly, ensuring your right hand melody notes align perfectly with your left hand chords. Focus on the coordination between your hands, aiming for a seamless flow. As you gain confidence, gradually increase the tempo. Remember, the song has a specific dance-like rhythm, so try to capture that feel in your playing. To truly bring stereo Love to life, incorporate dynamics and expression into your playing. Vary your volume, playing some sections softer and others louder, to create interest. The sustain pedal is crucial for a rich, connected sound, so learn when to press and release it effectively. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will help you achieve a polished and expressive performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.